Welcome to Creative Momentum's Make It Mean It, guided meditation for drafting exquisite art of any genre in 10 minutes. In this meditation, we're going to channel the Knight of Pentacles, or Earth Impassioned card. Let's start by sitting or standing quietly for a moment. Close your eyes if you like, and take a few deep breaths. Tune in to your sense of responsibility. What sensations do you feel in your body when you think of responsibility? So, if you choose to meditate for this exercise, you're welcome to keep your eyes closed. And if you choose to write, sketch, or improvise, go ahead and open your eyes, and we'll all begin the make it part of our meditation, where we let our associative mind play around. You can respond to the prompts as yourself or as a character, and you can take the prompts as literally or imaginatively as you like. Depict or imagine someone who would rather be safe than sorry. What is the pattern of this person's footsteps? Where does this person go at the same time every day? Imagine or depict this place. Is this person appreciated or belittled for being so steady? What is this person building? Who are they building this for? This completes the make it part of our meditation. And now we'll begin mean it. So in this next stage of the creative process, we look back at what we just envisioned, explored, or created, and we identify the resonant elements that arose. So look back at what you've created and circle or take note of all the repeated words, images, melodies, or choreography. Also circle or notice anything surprising. So go ahead and pause the recording to do this and come back as soon as you've noted the repetitions and the surprises. Now, notice if any of the following themes or symbols from this tarot card have shown up in what you envisioned or created, and see if these themes or symbols help you understand your exploration so that you can further articulate the questions you're asking or the story you're telling. The Knight of Pentacles is responsible and a provider. This person constructs and secures. The black horse symbolizes protection. The yellow sky signifies rationality. And the color burgundy represents steady and understated strength and life force. So take a moment to take in this meaning you've made. Settle into how this meaning or these questions or this mystery feels in your body. And see if any intentions or questions arise for continuing to explore this meaning in your life or in your art. Take another deep breath and open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you so much for showing up to your creativity and to your inner voice. Happy creating.